Hello, and this is Ani Katz from Kitsap Community Foundation once again. Right now you're looking at my home screen with my lovely fluorescent mushrooms on there. And right now what I'm doing is giving a very brief tutorial about how to find the tools that you need to participate in the Kitsap Great Give. So this video is geared towards nonprofits in Kitsap, Washington and North Mason County. Uh, if you are not one of those people, you may not find this very useful. But anyway, this is for you guys and to explain how you get these tools. There's a couple different websites. There's the Facebook page. It can be a little bit confusing. This is where you find everything. So here's how it works. You're on your home screen here, like this at home. You are going to go and open up your browser. I use Google Chrome. There it is. Open up a web page, Google. Okay, or whatever you're using, Firefox. You're going to come up here to your search bar. You're going to type in www.kitsapfoundation.org right there. Here we go, Kitsap Foundation, and that's us. If you ever get lost and can't find our Facebook page, we do stream it on our homepage, so you can reach that from here. It's our Facebook page. So to get these tools, well, just as long as we're here, I might as well point out here's the Washington State Nonprofit Handbook, pretty much the definitive source for what you need to be a nonprofit in Washington State. Our nonprofit network forum group, which is great if you want to join that. Everybody shares a lot of information, job openings, any question about things challenges people are working with. Our events calendar, if you have an event coming up and you don't want it to clash with somebody else's, check this calendar and see if people have let us know what they're doing so you can schedule your events accordingly. The meetings facilities database, this is an older document. I've tried to keep it updated. It's mostly updated. Things are changing fast in Kitsap. Nonprofit trainings, tools for the Great Give. So here's one place you can go, tools for the Kitsap Great Give. Here's another place you can go, tools and dates, materials and dates for trainings. So you can go here, or you can go up here. Nonprofits, Kitsap Great Give. So there's 3 different spots on the homepage where you can get right here to this spot. This spot has everything you need. Register. If you click this, you can register to participate. If you don't register, you can't participate, and you need to register by March 15th. So don't forget to do that. You want to come to a training? There's 2 left. We've had 4 this year, 1 kickoff and 4 trainings, so 5 total information sessions for the Great Give this year. So if you want to come to the final one, and by the time you're watching this, it hasn't already passed, RSVP here. You don't have to register. I just need to know how many people so I have enough chairs. So register to participate, RSVP for the trainings, and there it is, March 15th, register. Here's your tools right here. Updated frequently, check back frequently. Even tonight I will add more things onto this list. What's the Great Give? It's a tear sheet to give. This link leads to a tear sheet you can give to board members and other people to explain it. Your planning guide, your guidebook, your field chart guide, list of event ideas, micro volunteering resource list, your checklists that you can use for weeks 8 to 1, leading all the way up to the day to make sure you can get everything done. Tonight I'll be adding, as I said, a couple more YouTube videos. All this gets updated frequently. These right here, Give Local America videos. Give Local America is the organization that we partner with. They host a national giving day. So we're not the only people having a giving day, online giving day, May 3rd. It's happening all across the country. So it's kind of a big movement for everybody to donate to nonprofits on that day. These guys this year have decided to give free webinars to participating nonprofits. And that's a great resource. Here's 2 right here. This one obviously is already passed. This one's coming up as of the making of this video. And there's more. There's a couple more that I'll be putting up here as the time gets closer to register for those. So be sure you check those videos out. Here's your collateral, which basically means stuff you can print. logo suite, posters. All this will be updated frequently. Your sponsorship image, which I'm going to add up here tonight as well. This is going to change frequently because we're going to add new sponsors. So check back on this page throughout the time that you're advertising for the Kitsap Great Give, and get your resources. And just to show you how it works, I'm going to pretend that I'm a nonprofit. I want to download the checklist. So I click on checklist. It's going to open up Dropbox. Dropbox is going to show me this. And you don't have to sign up for Dropbox to open the link. You can still open it. But you can't use it in this image. So if you're going in here trying to click and type and you're getting all frustrated, don't do that. Go up here. See my cursor? So follow my cursor up here to download. This is what you want to do. Click download. You want to direct download. Unless you have a Dropbox, you can save it. But if you don't, and you're not signed in, it's not going to show that. So you want direct download. Boop, and there it is, right down here. So I've gone up from up here to download. There it is, downloaded onto my computer. So then you just click it, and it's going to open up. I need to get a new version of Word. Enable your editing, and then you're going to look at it, and you're going to say, oh my gosh, what's all this spacing, and why are these words hanging off, and it's weird. It's okay. Just remember that your computer has your programs set up the way you want it, and this version that I made this in is my work version of Word, which is newer than the one I have at home. That's okay. It's just not fitting. So what I do is I go over here and I do select all, font. I want to bring it down to 10. Whoa, look at that. Everything fits. Great. Donor engagement, it all fits. Perfect. So you can do that if your Word docs don't fit. Hang on a second. I have to wait for the top part to go away. There we go. So going back to this, not all of these are Word documents. For instance, your guidebook, let's click on that one. That'll open up. That's a PDF. So you can see they're not all going to be Word documents. The PDFs are going to hold their formatting, which is why people use them. So if you find you're just totally frustrated with the Word document and you don't care about being able to add columns or anything else, you just want it to look the same, you can ask and I'll upload just email me and I'll upload a PDF version for you. But right now I'll just leave the Word document. That's what everybody seemed to want last year. Okay, so this is, again, kitsapfoundation.org for the Great Give. This is where you get all your materials. You find them on our homepage by going either to nonprofits, Great Give, by going here, or by going here. Now look, there's another place you can register. So many places to register. So let's click the registration link. Let's say we want to do that. Where does that take us? That takes us to this page. This is the place to be, Kitsap Great Give website. And there we are, 74 days and 22 hours. Counting it down. Right now, this page looks like this, where if you're a new nonprofit, you click this button. So here, see my cursor is moving around here on the logo. Click this button, New Nonprofits. If you were participated in the Great Give last year, don't click this button, but you do have to re-register. How do you re-register? Well, as you see right here, your contact from the Kitsap Great Give, that means the person that registered last year and put their email in, they were sent an email that would allow them to create a new password and edit your profile information. If that person decided to leave your organization to work someplace else, got hit by a bus, moved to Jamaica, whatever happened to them, and you have no idea where that email went or it went into the ether, call Shane. Here's Shane right here, Shane Tramling. You can call her. The area code for there is 360 if you're just in case you're in a 253 or 206 zone, use 360, or you can email Shane here at greatgive@kitsapfoundation.org. Shane will send you a new link to create a new password. So if you're new, click the new button. If you're an oldie, get a hold and you don't have your link that you should have been sent, call Shane and ask her. Now, if at some point somebody re-registered and started working on your profile, then you're okay. So you could always, if you participated last year, you could always click this button, edit your profile, and if it opens up and it works, then somebody somewhere did something right, and just go with it. And look, here is another button to get your tools. So if you click this button here, it will take you back to the page I just showed you to get your tools. This is what you click if you've already registered and you are working on your profile. This is who you call if you have not re-registered, you're a returning organization and you lost your link. If you didn't lose your link, then you want to do this right here, create a password and edit your profile information. Okay, so there were a lot of questions about this at our kickoff, or pardon me, at our first training, so I'm just going to say it again really carefully. New nonprofits, click this button to register and fill out your information. Returning nonprofits, click the link Shane sent you and create a password. She sent you that link in an email, and the email went to the contact person from last year. If that person is gone or you don't have the password or the email, that's okay. Contact Shane right here, get your new link, create your password, and then you are back in. Okay, so returning organizations, you must re-register. If you already re-registered and you're working on your profile, click here. There you go. That's it. Anybody that is live online will see this page. But just because it's not set up for the giving day yet, they can still browse nonprofits. And this year we have expanded how the nonprofits are listed, so it's easier to find. As you can see, animal, arts and culture, basic needs. So now they're broken down into category, into a wonderful drop down list. Let's click human services. So here's what it looks like now. Human services, people see all the different nonprofits. Now when I say complete your profile page, as you've heard me repeat many times in the trainings, this is what I mean. This is what your profile will look like to anybody that is wanting to research nonprofits to donate to before the day. So for instance, let's look at these guys. I'm going to pick on these guys. Maybe they haven't quite got their image yet, or they haven't decided what one they want to put up, but right now, because they don't have their logo up, nobody will see it. This is exactly how it will appear. When you click on the link, they have their mission, a client story, how the funding is going to help the organization, their Facebook link, some web links. All that's great. So when we're talking about telling stories to your donors, this is the place to do it. If you put this information in last year, the same information is in there now. It is not updated. It will not go away. It'll still be in there. So you can leave it from last year if you're happy with it. But if you want to update it, you do need to update your profile. Let's just click on another one real quick. So these guys have pictures. You are allowed to upload 3 separate pictures that maybe show what you do for people. So be sure, oh, and they have a Twitter account too. So you can put your Twitter links up there. So all of this is customizable for you. This is what the public sees when they are researching you. So make sure that this says what you want it to say and has the right logo and the right pictures, websites, phone numbers, email, all that stuff. Okay, so let's go back home for just a minute. New nonprofits, register here. That's going to take you here. So here's what you start off uploading. Put in all your stuff. Fill it out completely. and then you click register. Okay. And this is, and match day controller is the back end, the name for the back end of the website where you're going to go in and upload your stuff. Oops, great gift. Okay, so that's for new nonprofits. You want to edit your profile. There's the Kimbia match date. This is where you're going to put in your email and your password and sign in. Of course, if you forgot your password, it's no problem to get a new one. It's very easy. We'll get it to you right away. So, yeah, there you have it. Log in, work on that profile, get everything up. If you have troubles with your profile, contact Shane. So hopefully this explains where you can get your tools, what the website is, how it works, how the donations or how the donors will see who you are beforehand. So please go on there. Please do click the links and get registered right here. Download your materials. Email us with questions. And if you want to watch any of our tutorials, you can also just shortcut right here. That's our YouTube channel. Visit us on YouTube. See what we have to say. Okay, I think that's it. I'm going to close out here. So thanks for tuning in. I'll see you on the